Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix ghost touch issues on your OPPO A6x 4G smartphone. So the easiest way to fix this issue is lock the screen of your device and then carefully wipe the surface of your device's screen with a dry towel or a microfiber cloth. And let's call it the step 1 to resolving this problem. Now, if you can see that your screen is clean and smooth, or at least relatively clean and smooth, doesn't have to be perfect, then check your screen once again and see if the problem's gone. And if it's not, let's check some software issues that could cause this. So let's go to settings. And let's check accessibility and convenience menu. Here I only want you to check whether the gloss mode is turned off, as when it's turned on, well, it will increase your screen's sensitivity, which might cause some misclicks or mistouches on your device's screen. Then go to System and Update, check System Navigation, and if you have Gestures Navigation enabled, then adjust the edges sensitivity, decrease them by moving the slider to the left in here and to the left in here, and then check for ghost touch issue again. Just adjust it to your preference, see which level of sensitivity is more comfortable to you, and disable mistouch prevention if you have it enabled. And then just restart your phone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time, swiping the circle up to restart, and wait until your phone is restarted, and then check for the issue once again. After that, after the restart, if the problem happens again, then you should go to Settings and scroll down to System and Update and check if your smartphone has any software updates by going to the Software Update menu and letting your smartphone check for available updates. If you do have a software update, then download and install it. And after the installation, the problem should be gone. If it's not, then at this point you should consider a screen protection interference with your issue. So check your screen protection. If you're not using an original screen protector, then replace it with one. So get yourself a screen protector from OPPO and check how it works with your smartphone. And after that, the issue should be gone. And that's it for this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.